Yo, what's up guys, it's Cory here. I am in Hamazushi, and this is a chain sushi restaurant, and we're gonna have some lunch today. And this kind of has the automated like delivery conveyor system for the sushi. As you can see right here, it's not one of the conveyor belt sushis where it's just going around and around. This one's made to order, but they have a nice touch screen here. And so they do have in Japanese, which I can do, but for the video I'm gonna show you guys, yeah, so they have a Chinese, English, Japanese. I'll show you in English. That way you can see the menu itself. So first thing I'm gonna do is order a drink because yeah, I'm thirsty. And with sushi, we're definitely gonna get a nama beer. Yes, I am old enough to drink, and I am not drinking or driving. And we're gonna get one beer, just order it. Okay, so that should come in a few minutes. And back to the front. So let's look at their seasonal menu. They've got, we've got roe and razor clam shells and a lot of different stuff, Wagyu beef. So there's these different pages. You just use the different buttons to scroll through it. So actually, I'm gonna get this this first one here, salmon roe with the grated radish. I'll get one order of that. And what else? Let's see, flame Japanese glass shrimp with citrus. That sounds really good. Let's get that with yuzu on top of it. And what else do we got here for their seasonal menu? Select flamed fatty tuna. That sounds kind of good. Let's do that. Order that. Kind of feeling like some salmon. Oh yeah, you can also order ramen here, which is really cool. They have different drinks. There's like coffee and soda, soft drinks. Yeah, different side dishes. There's ice cream and cake. Arigatou gozaimasu. So that was pretty fast. And like, yeah, French fries. And so you can see there's some different things there that you can order. And right in front of us, we've got, you know, wasabi, soy sauce, and packet. And then there's different soy sauces from around Japan. They've got Kanto style, hiraka kombu. This is kind of like a seaweed thing. They've got the special house soy sauce, which I like. Yeah, so different soy sauces and a ponzu sauce. Kyushu style soy sauce for sashimi. So it's really nice. Here's your chopsticks. And we've got pickled ginger in here. Oh, and they also have a matcha, like powdered green tea matcha. They have cups up top and a hot water dispenser right here. So, like I said, I wanted some salmon also. So they do different trios here. We're gonna get this one. It's lean, special fatty, and seared salmon. Ta-da! There we go. Got this. Okay, so there it is. Look at that. Oh, we got another one coming. What is it? Aha. There we go. Yeah, so it's funny, this thing, because I ordered in English, it actually tells me in English, please don't forget to pick your order up. But they'll say it in Japanese or Chinese, depending on the language that you pick. Yeah, that's a pretty decent size thing there. And then this row looks really nice. Nice and colorful. Oh yeah, the glass shrimp. Look at that. It's got the yuzu on top, the citrus yuzu. And my triple order of salmon. Yeah. All right, before we start eating, kanpai, guys. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so there's only one sushi per plate, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna, condense this together. And I'm gonna use one blank plate as my soy sauce dish. This is how I do it. This is how I've seen other people do it too. We get a decent amount of their special soy sauce. Yeah, I am one of those guys that does put wasabi into my soy sauce. So they have the soy sauce wasabi packet. Okay, just put that on the plate. On the side. All right, this is gonna be good. Mix up a little bit of it there. So what are we gonna try first? I'm really interested in this roe. It's got a piece of shiso leaf underneath it as well. So dip that a little bit in the sauce. There we go. Itadakimasu. Roes, wow. Wow. It's bursting with salty sea water and like egginess to it. I love salmon roe. It's one of my favorite things. Oh, yeah, so let's make some hot tea. It's got the cup. Get a little bit of the green tea powder. Pour some in there. Is it coming out? Yeah, okay. And then we use this to pour some little hot water in there. The first time I did this, it went all over my hand, so just be careful. You don't, burn your hand. I gotta stir it up with my chopsticks. That powder sits on the bottom if you don't stir it up. Ah, green tea goodness. All right, this glass shrimp. It looks good. It's like shredded, but it's like slightly seared, and then it has the yuzu on top of it. Dip that in there. That charred flavor to it mixed with the yuzu burst. Wow, really good. I do have to mention that this sushi chain is not like top of the line like Jito Sushi. You're not paying like $200 or something like that. These plates are like $1, $1.50, $2. So they're your cheaper cuts, but they're still really good. It's very affordable. This is a great place. It's right by my house, so I come here regularly and enjoy sitting at the counter. On the other side, there's booths for families and stuff. But here you can see they kind of spaced everybody apart. It's not really busy at all. There's a huge gap between me and the next person. This thing looks really good. Nicely seared. It's got that yuzu on top. Very fatty. It's okay, not my favorite, but I'm glad I tried it. And these plates, they have a design on them. There's different designs, different colors. They stand for the different prices of each dish. So you can just stack up these when you're done. So this salmon, it's not as orange as some salmon you can get at the supermarket. Still satisfying. So I'm kind of feeling like eating some kind of noodles or something. So let's check out their ramen. Kitakata ramen with pepper. Then they got miso soup and stuff. Okay, so I guess it's just one type of ramen. Sorry, two types. On the next page. We got udon. Okay, udon. Soba and udon. I'm not sure what I want. I think I'm gonna try the ramen. Let's do the kitakata ramen with pepper. beware, ramen bowls are also used for soba. Oh, beware, guys. That's cool. You might have an allergy or something. So let's order one of those. What's nice is they have a final thing here that says your orders, so you can double check like what you've ordered so far and then see what the grand total is. So you have an idea of how much money you're going to be spending. But we can just continue back. And they have some other things here as well. They have let's see, their side menu. They've got egg custard and bonito broth with unsweetened egg custard. You can actually buy soy sauce here if you wanted. Yeah, here's French fries, a lot of different French fries, barbecue flavored, butter and soy sauce, which by the way is a great combination of flavors. Char grilled chicken, yeah, egg omelet. So I'm not going to order any of these. I don't really care about that. But they got edamame and sake steamed clams. What's cool is they tell you if something's sold out or done for the day. Like this one says finished, this one says sold out. Yeah, so very cool. Bam, there it is. So it came with this plastic lid and even the spoon, and we've got a little packet of kosho. This is pepper. And let's take the lid off here, see what it looks like. Oh, it's on there pretty good. Come on. It's actually really hard to get off. So this lid was really difficult to take off. I actually had to call the guy over to help me. I was like, how do you get this off? It was like pressure locked on there, I guess. I don't know. But this bowl is really hot. I didn't want to burn myself, so I actually asked for help, which is pretty funny. But yeah, maybe not the best design. But look at this ramen. This ramen looks really good. Got pieces of chashu pork on top of here. Yeah, that looks nice. We've got some onions. And then it's a small bowl. And look at these noodles. These looks like some pretty decent noodles. The smell is really nice. Nice aroma to this. Let's see this nice oily, fatty broth. Yeah, so I'm really excited to try this. Oh yeah, this came with the pepper, the black pepper, so I'm actually gonna put some of that on top. Maybe not the whole pack. Oh, all right, there we go. Just for a little kick. This is gonna be nice. Just craving some ramen today. So let's get some of the pork and the noodles together. Itadakimasu. Really good for a tiny bowl of ramen. Nice. It would be cool if I could order other toppings like eggs and stuff, but I like that it's simple. And this chashu pork is actually flavored, like marinated really nicely. It's very fatty. Oh, this broth is so rich. It's the spot, guys. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this bowl of ramen, my one piece of sushi, and then we'll head out of here. Yeah, check. Okay. 番号札をお持ちになってレジまでお届けください。はい、ありがとうございます。When you first come in, there's this robot, and you can have a reservation and check in, or just hit this button to choose, where you want to sit. If you want to sit at the tables or at the counter, and then a ticket is dispensed here. And this is what you use to pay your bill with. And the nice thing about when you're coming is this alcohol spray dispenser here. I'm holding my camera, so I can only do it one-handed. All right, anyways, so that's good, that's good. Japan has that everywhere. All right, guys, I am stuffed. We're gonna head back home now, but that was about 1,300 yen, roughly $11 or $12, you know, depending on the exchange rate, but really good. You know, not the like best quality sushi on the planet or, you know, best quality ramen, but it's definitely affordable, and it's a nice place for just quick and easy lunch. And yeah, so I'm feeling full. I'm gonna go home. If you guys like this video, please leave the thumbs up on the video there, and leave any comments or questions down below. And I will see you in the next video. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Peace out, guys. Later.